Hello, my name's Dan Hodges. I teach carpentry at Mid-Kent College and I'm here to talk about our visualiser. When I do demonstrations in my classes at the front of the workshop, I used to have all my students come around, I'll do a small demo and then they'll go back to their benches and carry on with whatever they need to do from the demo. Now with the visualiser, if they go back to their bench and forget what they were going to do, they can look up and they can possibly see something what I've just done on the visualiser. At the moment, I've got a rod, which is what we draw, a full-size drawing of whatever we make, and the lads can actually, or girls as well, can actually go back to their bench and they can see what we've just done from the visualiser. And if there's any problems where they can't remember any of the measurements or anything like that, I can actually blow it right up to quite a large size so they can see from their benches where they're working. I have the controls here. So I can actually blow that joint right up, and that is what we've just drawn with the students, and there's all the measurements on the drawing what I've just drawn with them. So it helps out quite a lot with the type of students we have, because they do remember a lot easier with the whiteboard, magic whiteboard, which I call it. And it's also quite good for the actual demonstrations when I'm working as well. They can see it up on the board if there's a big crowd and they can't see what I'm actually doing at the workplace. So it's up on the board behind me. It'll be embarrassing sometimes when they can see the top of my head, but it's a very good, useful piece of equipment. The students like it. In fact, most of them show me how to use it because it's quite good. And some of the drawings they can actually do on the board for me, and they come up and they draw the rods on the board, and they all quite enjoy it because it's a bit like their computers at home, and they get involved a bit more. So it's very good with the students that I have. It is the same as my old style of teaching, but I used to use whiteboards and draw what I've just done on the ordinary whiteboards. Whereas this, I've drawn it once on the bench, and it's up on the whiteboard as well. So it has made it a lot easier for me, and some of the students can actually see it better as well. Because on the bench here, some are a bit shy and they hang back a little. They can actually see it. So the guys that don't get involved as much as the pushier students, they're not getting left out.